видится, блядь.
Может, они не выводят.
Да.
Вот это красавцы. Первый раз я вижу, что, блядь, идут за это. Правильно.
Правильно.
Тебе они специально, что вы себе справить.
Нормально. Вот где менты, когда не нужны? Я понимаю, вот только мотался обогнать. О, вон менты за ним. Это называется мгновение.
Тормози. Блядь, сука, вот тебе Бог рассказал,
Странно, поняла, тато.
Everywhere. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, damn!
Не, ну а ты что лезешь? Нет, я нормально ехал. Что творишь? Что делаешь?
Customers in the background have to back away because this guy means business. Woman not trying to risk her life, giving him the cash. And this waste man gets the money and now running off thinking it's all good. Jumps on his little shitty bike and is trying to storm off, but one of the customers jumps in his car and he, oh my goodness. Did you see that? Replay that shit. Dude thought he escaped. Oh, look at that. Jumped in his whip. Bam. Clip that man. Drop that man. Drop that waste man, I should say. And dude, look at he trying to run him over again. His leg is hurt. Now the people are jumping on him. He's in a big trouble here. All the customers, look at that now, weighing into this idiot. Never in his wildest dreams would he think a customer would go outside and wait for him and run him down. And look at this now, the female running to get back her cash. Wow. Yeah. And we see some students just walking and a guy pulls up on a bike with a purpose. The purpose is to jack their phones. Look at this waste man robbing freaking students. Wow, impressive. And trying to ride up and then bam, got dropped. Poor choice of transport there. No speed, no nothing, got caught immediately. Shambolic attempt. Cops come out and these are Brazilian cops. They don't play around. What are the chances of this guy being alive after?